Hey, welcome to another episode of Driftsti. I'm Joel. Today I'm going to be putting this into the car. So as you can see behind me, there is my battery. I was a noob and left the interior light on, so it's a good time to do it because I won't really trigger airbags with no electricity going through the car. So yeah. Alright, so I've obviously got no battery in the car. Made sure there's no charge. It's been dead for a few days now, so it's trickle charging at the moment. But yeah, while it's charging, I may as well put this steering wheel in. I'm gonna make it so that I'm pretty much gonna put it back if I need to drive it on the road. So with the Boss kit, it'll be pretty easy to sort of take it apart and put it back in and that sort of thing. You want to make sure that your steering wheel's straight and you're not putting it in sideways. I've got some Torx bits, so basically there's two bolts either side of the steering wheel, one here, one on the other side, and that's what's holding in our airbag in the center. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove that, I'm going to unplug that from the system, and then put that over the side somewhere safe, somewhere where there's going to be absolutely no static charge, because these things can intermittently go off. A lot of the time they say it's safe to keep it under the seat, so that if it does go off, it's not going to really do any damage to anything. Yeah, I'm just going to take that off. Then next what I'm going to do is I'm going to, there's a bolt basically holding the steering wheel on, so I'm going to unbolt that, and then pull the steering wheel off. I don't have a steering wheel puller, but you can get it off if you loosen this bolt and you just give it a few yanks. It does come off eventually. Number one rule is you make sure that the bolt is still attached, because a steering wheel being yanked off at full pace can fly off and hit you in the face, break some noses and that sort of thing. So yeah. So basically, so I've connected the airbag sensor to like a little module that basically tricks it into thinking that the airbag's actually there. So what it does is it doesn't give you any airbag warning lights or anything like that, which you definitely don't want driving around. If you were to be driving it on the street, this is obviously going to be sitting in my garage. So yeah, I've connected the horn, I've connected the airbag light, so I'm just going to test to make sure that it's all good and it's working. obviously here there's no airbag warning lights, anything on, there's no engine warning lights and all that. Yeah, all done. Bit of a shorter episode today, but I'll slowly be having stuff arrive over the next few weeks, so yeah, I'll try and post a bit more exciting stuff too. It's going to be sort of the cooling components and oil cooling components and all that sort of stuff, suspension, that sort of thing. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the episode, and I'll see you next time.